Hello and welcome to the virtual Blender crash course. In this episode you will learn how to move, rotate and scale an object in Blender. Blender is a 3D graphics software which lets you work in a three-dimensional space where every object's position is determined by three values: the X, Y and Z coordinates. Blender is all about the hotkeys, and although it can be hard to memorize which shortcut does what, using the hotkeys can really speed up your work in Blender. The hotkeys we're gonna use now to manipulate this object are G for grab, R for rotate and S for scale. In order to manipulate an object, first we have to select it. Move your mouse over the model and click the right mouse button once. After the object is selected, you will notice two things. First, the object is highlighted with an orange line, and second, you will see three arrows at the origin of the object: a red, a green and a blue one. The red arrow is the X-axis, the green one is the Y-axis and the blue one is the Z-axis. Now let's move the object to another place. Make sure it's selected, then press G to grab it, move your mouse to any location you want and click your left mouse button once when you are finished. To rotate the object, select it first, press R to rotate, move your mouse and click the left mouse button when done. If you press the S button after you selected the object, you can scale it on the X, Y and Z axis at the same time. We can also manipulate our object in a more controlled way when we tell Blender on which exact axis we want to move, rotate or scale the model. Let's move it first along the X-axis. Select the object, click the right mouse button once, press G, then X, move it where you want and click the left mouse button once when you are done. To move it along the Y-axis, select the object, press G, then Y, then left click to place it where you want. To move it on the Z-axis, select the object first, press G, then Z, move it where you want and click the left mouse button. You can repeat the same steps to rotate or scale it along one specific axis. Always select the object first, press the R or S button, then X, Y or Z, move the mouse and finish it with clicking once the left mouse button. This was our crash course how to manipulate objects in Blender. Thanks for watching, see you next time.